Meet the Enquiries upgraded 125 car charger. Tiny body, giant energy. PD65W plus QC60W means serious charging power for 2 devices. iPhone 17 Pro Max and S25 Ultra race from 0 to 90% in 30 minutes. That's speed with the confidence of a caffeine-fueled pit crew. USB-C delivers up to 65 W for modern fast charging. USB-A pushes up to 60 W for extra device flexibility. Need both ports fast at once? Not this time. Smartly limited. In a 20V car, the charger unlocks full performance. Thumb-sized design sits flush, like a secret agent in disguise. Pull ring design makes removal easy, no wrestling with the outlet. All-metal body looks premium and handles heat like a champ. Plastic melts. This one stays cool, sturdy, and ready. Built-in Smart IC protects against overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. Official security chips keep charging fast without bullying your devices. And with a 2-year promise, this charger backs its own swagger. Dead battery? Get back on the road fast. Perfect for cars, trucks, boats, and emergency travel. Meet the Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter, built for confidence. Its 88.8 watt power handles 12V vehicles with ease, supports gasoline and diesel engines under 10 liters. The HD LCD display shows every status clearly, so you always know your power at a glance. Use One-Touch Boost for low voltage starts instantly. No stress, no delay, just reliable emergency power. Charge faster with 65 W USB-C input and output. Fully recharge in just 1.3 hours. Power phones, laptops, and tablets while you travel. Built-in LED light includes SOS, strobe, and high beam. Operates in harsh weather with IP64 protection. Choose safer, smarter backup power for every journey. Wolfbox 4000A. Upgrade your emergency kit today. Meet the Vantru. N4S. 3 cameras, 0 excuses, full road coverage. Front, cabin, rear, like having eyes on every lane and angle. 2.7K front and 1440E. Inside and rear, capture crisp detail. Triple StarViz 2 sensors make night driving look unusually honest. HDR and plate picks, sharpen plates like a detective with caffeine. Dark roads, tunnels, garages. This dash cam refuses to squint. Wide 158 degrees, 165 degrees, and 160 degrees views crush blind spots hard. Rideshare drivers and commuters get the full courtroom evidence package. The rear camera rotates 360 degrees, tracking traffic or cargo. Use it rear-facing, cabin-facing, or anywhere your paranoia lives. Magnetic GPS mount and clips make installation refreshingly painless. No tools, no drama, just a clean, hidden wire setup. Smart parking modes guard your car while you're away. Motion, collision, low bitrate, and low frame rate modes cover every scenario. 5G hates Wi-Fi, 1 TB support, and quad GPS keep everything moving fast. Vantru N4S, the dash cam that never misses the plot. Meet the 17.3-inch overhead flip-down monitor, the giant screen upstairs. Built for coaches, buses, and motorhomes, not tiny hatchbacks. Think of it as a cinema ceiling, minus the popcorn line. Its large digital TFT display delivers sharp 1080p video playback. Passengers get a wide, comfortable view from multiple seating angles. The screen opens up to a maximum 130-degree viewing angle. That means more flexible positioning, fewer neck gymnastics, happier riders. USB and SD card support turns storage into instant entertainment. HDMI input brings in phones, consoles, and other media devices. Your road trip library just went from pocket-sized to stadium-sized. Hook up your phone and enjoy games on the big screen. Share movies and music with everyone aboard. No headphone drama. FM and IR capabilities add even more travel-friendly versatility. YHRF173M makes every long ride feel like first-class entertainment. Big screen, broad compatibility, and serious in-vehicle viewing power. Tired of messy car rides with your dog? Meet the upgraded back seat cover built for real travel. Perfect for SUVs and sedans, big dogs included. The reinforced hard bottom supports up to 500 pounds. so your pets stay steady on bumps and turns. Its full waterproof design protects every inch of your back seat. No more worrying about hair, saliva, mud, or scratches. The 7-layer construction adds serious durability and comfort. Thick Oxford cloth, waterproof coating, sponge, and non-slip backing. A mesh viewing window helps your dog see you clearly. That means less anxiety and a calmer ride for everyone. Built-in side zippers and pockets make every trip easier. Install it fast, fold it away quickly, and save space. Give your pet a safer, cleaner, more comfortable travel experience. Upgrade your back seat today and enjoy every drive. Hot car seats? Upgrade comfort instantly with Elf Trip. Perfect for babies, passengers, pets, and every daily drive. Dual air outlets send airflow forward or backward. Switch directions easily with simple buttons on both sides. 3 powerful speeds help your car cool faster. Great for boosting AC while waiting inside the vehicle. No battery means safer operation in high-temperature cars. Direct USB power delivers steadier airflow and stronger wind. Always plug into a 5V USB-A power source. Use compatible current for reliable performance and no shutdowns. Compact design saves space and keeps interiors looking neat. Strong sticker mount installs quickly on compatible headrest posts. Adjustable vents and turbo design improve air circulation. Fits most vehicles with the right headrest spacing. Choose smarter cooling for safer, fresher, more comfortable rides. Meet the Esuluk cup holder. Phone mount, your car's steady co-pilot. A 15-inch gooseneck gives your phone serious reach and flexibility. Adjust it from 7 to 15 inches with ease. The 360° ball joint flips views like a cinema director. Portrait or landscape, switch faster than a coffee order. Its expandable base fits cup holders from 2.3 to 3.3 inches. That means cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, boats, and golf carts. Installation is simple. Insert, tighten, and drive off confidently. No tools required, no drama, no mechanical gymnastics. Soft silicone grips and rubber padding keep phones scratch-free. The open bottom design lets charging cables plug in easily. GPS, calls, and charging can all happen at once. It keeps your phone away from the gear shift zone. Broad smartphone compatibility covers most iPhone, Samsung, and Pixel models. Stable, adjustable, and ready for everyday driving. Upgrade your back seat with smarter storage instantly. This universal console turns clutter into organized comfort. Perfect for family trips, ride shares, and everyday driving. Its large storage box keeps essentials neatly separated. Store cups, keys, snacks, chargers, and more easily. 2 cup holders add convenience for passengers and drivers. The built-in phone holder keeps screens within reach. Soft, durable material feels comfortable and resists daily wear. A quick wipe with a damp cloth cleans everything. The updated armrest design gives tired legs real relief. Lean back comfortably during long drives or traffic jams. It fits most vehicles with enough rear seat installation space. For non-OEM consoles, simply confirm the available space first. The result is a cleaner cabin and upgraded ride quality. If you need help, support is ready anytime. Buy now. Tired of dust hiding deep in every car surface? Meet the high-tech Vortex 2 air cleaning gun. Perfect for detailing interiors, exteriors, engines, and garage cleanups. Powered by compressed air for serious cleaning performance. Its vortex motion agitates dirt from carpets and upholstery. It reaches dashboards, seams, vents, and tight hidden spaces. Switch instantly between wet cleaning and dry air mode. Use solution for stains, then dry surfaces fast. No tool changes, no interruptions, just smoother workflow. Rugged, professional-grade construction stands up to daily use, built for busy shops and demanding home detailers alike. Advanced design uses less product while covering more surface. Save time, reduce waste, and upgrade your cleaning results. From grime to spotless, the difference is immediately visible. Choose the Vortex 2 and detail with confidence. Turn every car ride into a more comfortable, supported rest. Whether commuting, road tripping, or traveling, neck support matters. First, confirm your headrest has 2 removable metal support poles. The pole gap should measure between 2.5 and 5.7 inches. It will not fit fixed or integrated headrests without poles. Once compatible, install this adjustable pillow without tools or hassle. Its patented design attaches securely around your car seat headrest. Both side pillows rotate 360 degrees for personalized positioning. Adjust the height to support adults and children over 4. When unused, simply lift them up to save valuable space. 4-centimeter memory foam cushions your head and neck comfortably. Breathable leather feels skin-friendly, sweat-resistant, durable, and easy clean. Velcro covers remove conveniently, helping maintain a fresh interior. Enjoy improved posture support and less discomfort during long journeys. Check your seat compatibility, upgrade every ride, and travel better. Tired of parking too close, too far, or crooked? Meet the Fuzzman Dual Laser Garage Parking Assist Guide, perfect for 1-car or 2-car garages alike. The upgraded wider angle reaches up to 75 degrees. That means better coverage and easier alignment for 2 vehicles. Park correctly every time, without guessing or second-guessing. Simple installation gets your garage ready in just minutes. No more bumper bumps, door dings, or stressful adjustments. Motion-activated lasers detect movement from up to 33 feet. They automatically shut off after 30 seconds of inactivity. Use 1 laser or 2, depending on your garage. Adjust each laser 360 degrees for precise vehicle targeting. Even during outages, battery backup keeps it working. Upgrade your garage parking experience with smarter, safer guidance. Choose Fuzzman and hit the mark every single time. Meet the Batoka S5, a mini polish beast. It works as rotary and dual action. 3 modes: rotary, 3mm orbital, 12mm orbital. That means beginners and pros both get served. Swap shafts, and the machine changes its personality instantly. 5-second quick change keeps your rhythm smooth, not awkward. No tools, no drama, just press and insert. 6 speeds from 2000 to 5,500 RPM ready. Low speed handles waxing and buffing like a gentleman. Medium speed cleans and polishes with steady confidence. High speed attacks paint defects and oxidation hard. 2 12V batteries keep you moving, not waiting. 1 battery works while the other is your backup. Small, lightweight, and perfect for tight detailing spots. Headlights, wheels, emblems, handles, it reaches them all. With 1-year warranty, the S5 brings serious peace. Think portable inflators are only for emergency top-ups? That assumption fails when you drive trucks, tow, or camp. I recommend solutions based on speed, endurance, and reliability. The E10 Wolf Vortex S6 delivers all 3 confidently. Its dual-cylinder system pushes 1.5 CFM at 0 psi. That means a 31-inch tire reaches target pressure fast. In testing, it fills 30 to 35 psi in 1 minute. Accuracy stays within plus or minus 1 psi. The 19,200 mAh battery powers multiple inflations on 1 charge. It can handle up to 18 F150 tire top-ups. USB-C 45W fast charging also charges your devices. With 100% duty cycle, it keeps working without breaks. Auto stop, preset modes, and memory make inflation effortless. The 1000 lumen LED light helps at night or outdoors. For drivers, cyclists, and campers, this is a smart upgrade. Meet the Vansuet 400W car inverter, your road trip power station. It turns 12V car power into stable 110V AC electricity. 400 watts means small appliances and electronics get real support. 2 AC outlets let you plug in more without juggling. The 30W PD USB-C port charges fast, like it means business. Add 1 15W USB-C and 2 15W USB-A ports. That means phones, tablets, cameras, and more charge together. Laptop for work, fan for comfort, console for fun, handled. Dedicated AC switch keeps outlets off when you don't need them. Smart cooling fan wakes up only when heat starts acting up. LED status light stays honest. Green good, red means trouble. Overvoltage, overload, overheating, short circuit, it spots problems fast. Perfect for cars, SUVs, trucks, and RVs with 12V systems. Road trips, camping, commuting, outdoor work, this inverter fits everywhere. Need backup power on the move? This one delivers confidently. Ever worried about being trapped in your car? Accidents can happen fast, and panic hits even faster. That's why I keep this Smosen safe hammer nearby. It's a 2-in-1 glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. Inside is a high-pressure spring and tungsten steel tip. A quick press delivers serious 20 kgf impact force. It breaks side window glass instantly when needed. And the hidden cutter slices seatbelts safely. The U-shaped blade design helps prevent hand injuries. Plus, the upgraded silicone grip feels secure and comfortable. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere. Clip it on your keychain or keep it in reach. Front seat, back seat, daily driving, it just makes sense. For emergencies, rescue, or unexpected situations, it's a smart choice. Smosen Safe Hammer. Small tool, big peace of mind. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextCube channel.